Hello. Welcome back to my channel again. My name is Abhimanyu. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can post some photos or videos into your Instagram feed using a laptop or any PC, not your mobile phone. It is very easy. Just follow the steps what I'm doing. Don't skip the video. Just watch this video till the end. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancers. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about
My name is Abhimanyu.
Alright, first you want to do is go to Facebook Creator Studio. Just type in Facebook Creator Studio on your browser and press enter. Okay, then click the Facebook Creator Studio on top. You can see it. Just click that. Okay guys, once we entered into the Facebook Creator Studio, we will get a page like this. Okay, login Creator Studio with Facebook. On top you can see Facebook logo and Instagram logo. Okay, what you want to do is select Instagram logo. Okay, then you will see a page like this. Welcome to Creator Studio for Instagram. Okay, and the next step is login with Instagram with your personal details, your username and password. Just type in your username and password. If you want to save your info, you can save it, or if you don't want to save it, just click not now. I think I have logged in. The main URL is business.facebook.com/creatorstudio. Okay, if you want to change the language, you can change the language here itself. Actually, I am in Bangalore right now, so the default language will be in Kannada, so I'm translating into English. Okay, next we will get a page like this. On left you can see create post. I'm talking about creating post for Instagram, okay, from your laptop or PC. Okay, on left you can see create post. If you click that, you can see Instagram feed and IGTV. Okay, you can create a post for Instagram feed and IGTV. That's what I meant. Okay, and if you click Instagram feed, you will go directly to a page like this, post to Instagram feed. Okay, here you can write your caption, and if you want to add any hashtags, you can add the hashtags also. Bottom that you can see add location. Okay, if you want to add India as a location, you can add India, or if you want to add Bangalore, you can add Bangalore as your location. Fine. And if you go a little more bottom of the page, you can see add content. Choose the photos or videos you would like to post. From here you can select your media files which you want to upload in Instagram. Okay, underneath that you can see add content. If you click that, you can see from file upload. You can select any file from here. Okay, I'm selecting my old pic. Okay, I'm selecting one of my old pic, and to the right side you can see post info and advanced settings. On post info you can add the location and captions and everything. In advanced settings you can tag the business partners. If you are having any paid partnership, you can tag them there, and underneath that you can see write alt text. You can add the alt text also in advanced settings. Okay, and to the main thing, to the right side bottom you can see the publish option, schedule option, and the save as draft option. If you want to publish it now, you can publish it now, and the main advantage is that you can even schedule the post. If you want to schedule a post for tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe next month, you can schedule it here itself on Facebook Creator Studio. You don't have to use any social media management tools. And also you have a save as draft option, and I will show you the post which I have scheduled till now. If you go to the photo option, you can see the second photo and the third photo. It is written as under the post status, it is written as is assigned. Okay, I have also started to schedule the post using Facebook Creator Studio. On the left side you can see the insights. If you go and click inside, you can see the audience, the action taken on your account, website visit, profile visit, calls, account reached, impressions, everything will be there, and your audience, the age and gender of your followers, and people from which cities are visiting your page most. You can also even see that when you click insights. I hope you understood this. It is very useful and try to use it. You can even save your time as well. Okay guys, I hope you understood this video also, and you should try this because this method can really save your time. Okay, because in this method you can schedule your post. You have already seen that you can schedule your post for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, maybe next week. Okay, you can't do this on your mobile, right? Fine. And also you don't have to use any other social media management tools for managing Instagram. Okay, I hope you understood this, and I will see you in another video with another good topic. Cheers guys.